Hi, I'm Kobe McConnell, president of Kobe's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. If you live in Dunedin and are having a problem with termites, I found something in the field today I think you'll find interesting. I wanted to share with you a sound that no homeowner ever wants to hear. See if you can tell what this is. Still not sure? Listen again. Let me give you a clear picture. Don't wait until it's too late. This is the sound you really want to hear. The sound of silence. So, if you live in Dunedin and have a problem with termites, give us a call today. 727-462-0400. Once again, I'm Kobe, president of Kobe's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. As long as God keeps making them, we keep killing them. I hope you found this video helpful, and you have a great day.